Hello guys, welcome back to Fabric by Singhanias. Today we're going to show you few of our new embroidered fabrics at our store. So let's get started. So the first fabric here is a beautiful embroidery georgette fabric. So here the base fabric is a georgette wine colored fabric, and all over it you can see this beautiful threadwork embroidery, and there are cross stitch as well inside the details if you can notice. It's multicolor and it has a very nice light sequin which is golden color, so it gives a really glamorous look. We can probably customize this into a nice Sangeet outfit or a nice lehenga, or if you want to go and do something even more fancy, you can go ahead and make a great kurta out of this, be it menswear kurta or even if there's like a couple outfit that you want to recreate, this would be the perfect embroidery fabric for it. So this next fabric would be perfect for the summer season as well because it's a nice chanderi fabric and it has a really lightweight texture to it. As you can see, all the thread work that's been done over it, it gives a nice pastel look and it's giving a really nice and soft look too due to the blue, pink and yellow shades that you can see on it. We can make a nice kurta out of it for a casual wear, or even if you want to make a workwear outfit, this would be the perfect fabric for it. Moving to our next fabric, here we have a nice and vibrant black and very bold raw silk threadwork fabric. All over it you can see the Parsi work and all of it is done in a pastel color. So the black and the pastel colors give it a really nice and feminine touch to it. We can make a nice kurta out of it, or if you want to make a dupatta and stand out, this would be the perfect fabric and the perfect embroidery for it. Moving to our final fabric. This is a really nice lilac or lavender color fabric and it's a nice georgette fabric. So we can make a nice lehenga also as well as an anarkali. If you are looking for anything pastels this season, this would be the perfect fabric for it. So it has nice light sequin work and thread work all over it in a nice pastel color. So it gives a really nice and beautiful look to it. Moving to our next fabric, this is a really gorgeous tussar fabric that you can see. It has a really nice and raw texture to it, and all of the sequin work that you can see which has been done in curves makes it look really elegant and beautiful. All of it is in golden color and the floral work that you can see on it is in shades of pink. So it gives a really nice contrast to both the green and pink, giving it a really nice look. We can probably make a nice anarkali out of this, or even if you want to make a fancy blouse, we can totally use this tussar fabric for it. Moving to our next fabric, here we have a beautiful raw silk fabric again, and this is in a nice shade of brown color. All over it there are these vibrant floral Parsi thread work that's been done. Now this gives a really nice touch to it due to the vibrant colors that you can see on it. It has these pastel orange, hot pink and all of these exotic birds that have been embroidered all over it. So we can make a nice kurta set out of this, or even if you want to make a suit set or dupatta, this would be the ideal fabric. Moving to our next fabric, this is a really beautiful shade of indigo blue, I'd say, and given the red floral work that's been done on it, it gives a nice complementary look to the entire color. All over it you can also see this metallic embroidery thread work that's been done, giving it a really nice and regal look to it. We can make a nice menswear kurta for any kind of sangeet or any events that you have in mind, or we could also make a nice suit set out of it. This could be my personal favorite due to the color blue itself. Moving to our next fabric. This is our final fabric, and here we have this really pretty raw silk fabric. Again, it has a nice Parsi thread work all over it, and the thread work is in pastel color, so the vibrant green color makes it look even more beautiful with the thread work as well. So here we have these floral work and leaves all over it. So we can make a nice dupatta or a suit, or even if you want to make a co-ord set, this kind of texture would make it look really cool. Moving to our second fabric, here we have a really gorgeous raw silk fabric and it is in ivory color. All over it you can see this nice thread work, Parsi work embroidery, and all of this has a nice floral touch to it. There are big and small flower work that's been done, and all over it you can see these nice exotic birds that have been embroidered as well. So again, we can make a nice menswear kurta through this, or if you want to make a nice suit piece, this could be the perfect fabric for it due to the raw silk texture as well. Moving on to our third fabric. This is another beautiful pink color, almost hot pink color raw silk fabric, and all over it you can see this nice floral thread work that's been done. And another really unique thing about it is these metallic thread work that's been done, which can be seen as like these fine details that you can see, which is silver in color. It gives a really nice texture to it, and it is really fancy. We can probably make a nice blouse piece or a nice women's wear kurta as well for this. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Fabric by Singhanias and drop a like and comment for any more details. For any kind of customizations, you can come to our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Thank you.